Yes, welcome to Excel Logic Pro, where you will learn advanced techniques in Microsoft Excel to enhance your data analysis and reporting skills. From pivot tables to the complex formulas, this channel offers step-by-step tutorials and practical tips to help you become an expert. And so join our community and elevate your spreadsheet games. Yeah, today I'm going to teach you how to use the maximum number or largest, how to find the largest number or maximum number. Yes, when you find the maximum number, it means that you find the largest number from the range, the largest number from the range. For example, we want to find out the student which have the largest marks. This formula can help you do so. Yes, but the largest number you can decide whether you find the first largest number, the second largest number, and so on. First, start with the equal sign, then max. In order to find the maximum number, the function which is used to find the maximum number is the max. So you write max, then open bracket, go to your range. My range is this one, then highlight the range. After that, hit enter. Then you have done with the maximum number, like this one. So in this range, the maximum number is 99.5. Is 99.5. For example, when I write 99.9, the largest number will change, because 99.9 is larger than 99.5. Yes, so the maximum number is 99.9. Or when I change also, let's say that this way, 1 to 0. So the maximum number is 120 in this range. So with the maximum number I have done. So the formula is this one, write max, then my range is from 02 to the 030. Now let me teach you how to use the largest number, or how to find the largest number from the average. You can find either the first largest number, the second largest number, and so on, depending on your needs. Yeah. To do so, start with the equal sign, then large, open bracket, then you go to the range, highlight the range, then after, say, put the number, the maximum number which you want to find, either the first number or the second number. For example, I want to find the first largest number, so I put comma 1 this way, put comma 1, close bracket, then enter. So the first largest number in this range, from 02 to the 030 is 120. It is 120. This is the first largest number. Yeah, if you want to find the second number, the second largest number, put comma 2. So the first largest number is 120, but next number of the second number is 99.9. Also, when you want to find the third largest number, put comma 3, then enter. So because I have two number, I have the same number which is two number which is 95.5, so that's why the second and the third number is 99.5. Let's say I want to find this one will be this. So we will decide whether you want to find the first, the second, and so on. Put that number in your form. Include the number in the form. For example, this one. Yes. So when I add another number, for example 200, this one will be the first largest number in my range, like this one. But let's say I change the second largest number be 140. Then when I change here, this will be the second largest number after 200. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe in order to get more videos from my channel. Also like, share and comment. Thank you.